Planning a virtual flight in Microsoft Flight Simulator and have FSC plan files. These are flight plans from FS Commander A Flight Planning application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these FS Commander flight plan files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure FSC formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. An FSC file contains a flight plan created by FS Commander, a flight planning and navigation tool for aviation simulators like Microsoft Flight Simulator and Explained. Users create these files to define waypoints, routes, and airport data for a virtual flight, which can then be loaded into the simulator. The FSC format is a structured data file, often text-based, containing a sequence of navigational data points, waypoints, VORs, NDBs, altitudes, and airport identifiers. The design prioritizes compatibility with various flight simulator engines, allowing it to be easily parsed and integrated into a virtual cockpit. The FSC file originated with and is formally handled by FS Commander, developed by Aerosoft GmbH. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows provides restricted visibility into game resources, so proper access depends on modding tools. Your reliable first move is the Open With command. Right-click the FSC file and select Open With. If FS Commander is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If your FSC file still refuses to open, stay calm. Your system failed to open the FSC file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, loading in FS Commander. Install FS Commander on your flight simulation system. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the FSC flight plan. The software displays the complete plan, including route map, waypoint details, and timing data, ready for export to your flight simulator for the actual flight execution. Next, importing into Flight Simulator. Use FS Commander's export feature to convert FSC plans into formats compatible with your flight simulator, like PLN for Microsoft Flight Simulator. Save the converted plan in your simulator's flight plans folder. Load the plan within the simulator's flight planner before starting your flight session. Finally, sharing flight plans. Share FSC files with the flight simulation community through sites like AvSim and Flight Simulator forums. Other simmers can load your custom flight plans for shared aviation experiences. Document interesting routes and conditions when sharing to help others appreciate your flight planning creativity in virtual aviation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.